Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna do a little something for your beloved ones. We're gonna do a nice and easy and extremely fast Valentine's gift. So it's best to just continue. So we're gonna start with the outside paper. Yeah, it's a nice clean sheet, and we're gonna divide it onto halves. Be gentle. Okay. Now we have two halves. We need to do is this. Let's draw a big heart in the middle of this page. And make sure it's a nice one. Okay. Use a really sharp knife. So the sharper the better. And just cut on the line. And here, see? Let's say that's a nice one. It's gonna be good, okay? On the other side, see? We're gonna use this one and draw small hearts and cut them out. It doesn't matter exactly where you made them, just make sure there is a lot of them.
Watch me do it. So I don't turn the knife, I turn the paper, see? And that's how I get a nice rounded shape of a heart.
So again, don't turn the knife, turn the paper, like this. See? And it goes, and you get a relatively nice heart shape. Here, okay? I think that's gonna be enough. My lights, sorry about my lights, kinda new channel, still learning things. Okay, that's it, that's the upper part, the lower part. And now, what we'll do, we'll make this, and it's gonna look almost something like this, okay? You'll see it's gonna be a lot better once we're done. Okay, a few more hearts. I think we need a few more hearts. Let's make another one here. Okay, and now, let's go to the second paper. See, is this one. So what we do is make a bit smaller paper size, like 1 centimeter from the edge. It's the same, so just shorten it 2 centimeters in each direction. Good. Here we go. My lights again. Okay, so this is it, and now, see, what we do is we put it like this, yeah? You see, from the other side, like this, and it's almost done. What you do next is you just fill it with glue, and see, and just stretch it. So it's like this. Now that you have this one, just put it on. Make sure it's in the middle. See now the bottom part, see, it got glue on it. So just don't worry, do it like this. Now that you have this, what you do is you use sprinkles. And just go. So what we did is, you see, we got one giant, nice and lovely heart. On the other side, we got small hearts. On the inner side, see, we got like this, okay? And now, all the hearts we have, these ones and these ones, we'll use. So just put glue on it. and then just stick it down like this. Okay. And do the same with all the rest. Hearts. Just a small amount of glue and just stuck it somewhere. Wherever you want, it doesn't matter. Okay, I think we are done. Here, what do you think? You know what? Don't forget to, if you like the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe it, and please comment on it. Would it be good enough to give it to your girlfriend? See, it's almost too easy to make. It's original, and you can't buy it like this. It's nice and shiny heart. So, well, that's it for today. See you all next week, and again, don't forget to like the video. Bye bye!